Hey everyone, welcome back to Recycle Tech DIY. Today, I'm going to show you something amazing. That old laptop you're about to throw away? It's actually a gold mine. We are going to harvest these powerful 18,650 lithium cells and show you how to give them a second life. Don't trash it, recharge it. We'll start by carefully cracking open the casing. Safety is key here. Be gentle and make sure not to puncture the cells or cause a short circuit while cutting the nickel strips. And there they are. A fresh set of high-quality lithium batteries. Now, we need to separate the good from the bad. Using a multimeter, we'll check the voltage of each cell. Anything above 3.0 V is usually in great shape. If a cell reads 0 V, it's likely dead. By sorting these, we can build something powerful for almost zero cost. These cells are perfect for building high-capacity power banks, solar lights, or even powering electric bikes. Buying these new can be very expensive, but FO